This man has been invited to be the guest speaker at a business seminar. He thinks he's going to be addressing the American Plumbing Association, who, unknown to him, met earlier in this very same room. In a twist of fate, he's actually going to be addressing the American Proctology Association. It's a number we like to call right church, wrong pew.
Cute story, isn't it?
It is.
But seriously, folks, we're in a business that doesn't get a lot of respect. A business that's the butt of many crude and sophomoric jokes. But yet, each and every morning, we wake up to simply face the situation. You know, everybody's always looking out for number one these days. Well, what about number two? Aren't we right up there? Thank you very much. Now let's talk about a common problem. The plugged up waste hole. What do you do? My assistant and I will show you. Hey, Yorkie!
Hiya, boss. Hi, everybody.
Is to take your plunger, surround the hole, then push and pull and push and pull, and check to see if the waste hole's still plugged up.
Push and pull, push and pull.
That's right, Yorkie. Hey, Yorkie, hand me the thingamabobber.
Okie dokie, bossy bossy.
Snake with the big head on it. You insert it into the hole. Then you push and turn and twist and prod and feed it deeper and deeper into the hole.
Yeah, deeper and deeper into the hole.
That's right, Yorkie. Now you slowly release the rod. Excuse me, can you see this in the rear? Now you pull it out of the hole. You should be careful. You should wear safety glasses when doing this. You don't know what the hell's going to come out of that hole.
Hey, what the hell?
Yeah. Now, if your waste hole's enlarged and you're worried about scratching the rim, you'll need a bigger snake. What the hell's going on, Yorkie?
Hey, boss, it's stuck.
Oh, jeez. Is industrial waste hole opener. This stuff contains a healthy dose. It contains a healthy dose of sulfuric acid. It'll eat through food and grease and hair and God knows what other obstructions.
Are you licensed?
No.
Hey, boss! This is really good acid, man!
Well, so much for rehab, Yorkie. Now, you take the fun, you shove it into the hole, then you pour the clog remover down and watch as it foams and burns the obstructions away. Now your system should all be back to normal. At this time, we'd like to introduce a new way to unclog your holes. I need a volunteer. I said I need a volunteer. Oh, I see someone at table 20 raising their hand. Yorkie will be right over.
Table 20, okie dokie!